Introducing the Google Pixel 7a, the latest addition to Google's popular lineup of smartphones. Packed with incredible features and powered by advanced technology, the Pixel 7a is designed to elevate your YouTube viewing experience like never before. In this video, we'll explore the fantastic capabilities of the Pixel 7a and how it enhances your enjoyment of long videos on YouTube. The Pixel 7a features a stunning 6.2-inch OLED display, boasting vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a resolution that brings every detail to life. Whether you're watching captivating documentaries, immersive vlogs, or epic gaming playthroughs, the Pixel 7a's display ensures a truly cinematic experience. To complement the exceptional display, the Pixel 7a is equipped with powerful stereo speakers that deliver rich, immersive sound. Experience crystal clear audio that enhances the dialogue, music, and sound effects of your favorite YouTube videos, allowing you to get fully absorbed in the content. Thanks to the Pixel 7a's optimized software, you can enjoy long YouTube videos without worrying about interruptions. The Pixel 7a's efficient battery management ensures that you can binge watch hours of content on YouTube without having to constantly recharge. And if you're a fan of vlogging or recording videos for your YouTube channel, the Pixel 7a has you covered. With its impressive camera capabilities, including a high-resolution main camera and a wide-angle lens, you can capture stunning footage with ease. The Pixel 7a's advanced image stabilization technology ensures that your videos remain smooth, even when you're on the move. The Pixel 7a runs on the latest version of Android, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. You'll have quick access to the YouTube app and a host of other Google services that further enhance your video watching experience. Plus, with Google's powerful AI integration, you'll receive personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits, ensuring you never miss out on the content that matters most to you. With the Pixel 7a's multi-window feature, you can watch YouTube videos while simultaneously browsing the web or chatting with friends. It's all about convenience and maximizing productivity without compromising your entertainment. So, whether you're a YouTube enthusiast, content creator, or simply love to immerse yourself in long videos, the Google Pixel 7a is the perfect companion for your YouTube journey. Get ready to elevate your viewing experience and enjoy every minute of your favorite YouTube content with the Pixel 7a.